The moment work ends is quiet but powerful. The laptop closes. The screen goes dark. Notifications stop. The day does not disappear instantly, but it begins to loosen its grip. I sit still for a second and breathe out. There is no need to hurry now. The evening has arrived, and it asks for something different. It asks for calm. I stand up and stretch my back. The body remembers the long hours. The mind still holds small pieces of stress. But this is the moment of transition. Work stays behind the door. Home begins here. Many people carry their work into the evening without noticing. Messages follow them. Thoughts continue. Tonight, I choose to stop. The room feels familiar and safe. The light is softer than during the day. Sounds are slower. I take off my shoes and feel the floor under my feet. This simple action brings me back to myself. I do not need entertainment yet. I do not need noise. I only need to slow down. This part of the day is often ignored, but it matters more than we think. How we end the day shapes how we sleep. How we sleep shapes tomorrow. A quiet evening is not empty time. It is recovery time. It is a small reset that prepares the body and the mind for rest. I look around my home and feel gratitude. Nothing special is happening, and that is exactly the point. Peace lives in ordinary moments. This evening is not about doing more. It is about doing less on purpose. The night begins gently, and I let it. Useful phrases. The moment work ends is quiet but powerful. There is no need to hurry now. I choose to stop. The room feels familiar and safe. Peace lives in ordinary moments.
Chapter 2. After the day slows down, hunger appears quietly, not strong, not urgent, just a soft reminder. I walk into the kitchen and turn on a small light. I do not want to cook anything complicated. This evening is about ease. Simple food is enough. Food that feels warm and familiar. Food that does not ask for effort. I wash my hands and take a deep breath. Cooking can be stressful when we rush. Tonight, there is no rush. I open the fridge and choose what is easy. A few vegetables, some rice, eggs, maybe pasta. Nothing special, and that is the beauty of it. I am not trying to impress anyone. I am taking care of myself. I cut vegetables slowly. The sound of the knife is calm and steady. The pan warms up. Oil touches the surface and makes a soft sound. These small moments ground me. They pull my attention away from the day. My thoughts become quieter. My shoulders relax. Cooking becomes a kind of meditation. While the food cooks, I stay present. I do not check my phone. I do not replay work conversations. I watch the steam rise. I smell the food. I stir gently. This is my evening rhythm. Simple actions, simple focus. The body understands this pace. It feels safe. Soon the meal is ready. I sit down and eat slowly. I taste the food. I notice warmth. I notice comfort. Eating like this feels different. It feels respectful. Dinner is not just fuel, it is a signal. The day is ending. The body can relax now. This simple dinner does not take much time, but it changes the evening. It creates a pause, a moment of care, a moment of calm before the night continues. Useful phrases. 1. Hunger appears quietly. 2. This evening is about ease. 3. I am taking care of myself. 4. Cooking becomes a kind of meditation. 5. The body can relax now.
Chapter 3. After dinner, the body feels heavier, but in a good way. The sharp edges of the day are gone. There is no need to rush back into activity. This is the moment when many people reach for endless scrolling. One video becomes 5, one episode becomes 3. The mind gets tired, not rested. Tonight, I choose something different. I sit down on the sofa and turn on the TV. I already know what I will watch. Nothing intense, nothing loud, just a short, light show. Something familiar, something gentle. The volume is low, the lights stay soft. This choice matters. The evening should calm the mind, not wake it up again. As the show begins, my body sinks into the seat. Muscles loosen. Breathing slows. I do not analyze the story. I do not check my phone. I simply watch. The mind needs moments like this, moments without effort, moments without decisions. This is not wasted time. This is recovery. The show ends quickly. I notice that I feel satisfied, not overstimulated. There is a clear difference. When we stop on purpose, we keep control. When we continue without thinking, the evening disappears. Tonight, I stop while the feeling is still good. This creates space for the rest of the night. I turn off the screen and sit in silence for a moment. The room feels calm again. The day feels far away now. A short show was enough. It gave rest without stealing time. This balance is important. It protects sleep. It protects the next day. Useful phrases. 1. I choose something different. 2. Just a short, light show. 3. The mind needs moments like this. 4. This is recovery. 5. I stop while the feeling is still good. Chapter 4. After the screen goes dark, the evening becomes even quieter. This is the moment I like most. I take a book from the shelf. Not a big one, not a difficult one, just a book that feels right for the night. Reading in the evening is different from reading during the day. The pace is slower, the attention is softer. I sit in a comfortable place and open the book. I do not set a goal. I do not count pages. I tell myself one simple thing. I will read a little. If it feels good, I will continue. If not, I will stop. This removes pressure, and without pressure, focus comes naturally. As I read, my thoughts slow down. The noise of the day fades even more. Words guide the mind gently. A few pages are enough to change the mood. Reading is not about finishing a chapter. It is about entering a calm space, a space where the mind can rest without falling asleep yet. I notice how different this feels from scrolling on a phone. There is no rush, no bright light.
No constant movement, just words and silence. This kind of focus trains the mind. It teaches patience. It teaches presence. Even 5 pages can bring clarity. Sometimes I pause and think about what I read. I let ideas stay for a moment. I do not force understanding. I let meaning arrive slowly. This is learning without stress. This is rest with depth. When I close the book, I feel ready for the next step of the evening. The mind is calmer, the body feels prepared. Reading did not take much time, but it changed the quality of the night. This small habit protects sleep and creates peace. Useful phrases. This is the moment I like most. I remove pressure. The noise of the day fades. Even a few pages are enough. This small habit creates peace.
Chapter 5. When the book is closed, the day feels complete. There is no more thinking to do, no more input to receive. The body begins to ask for warmth and release. I walk into the bathroom and turn on the shower. The sound of water fills the room. It is steady and calming, almost like a signal. The day is ending. The water becomes warm, not hot. I step inside and feel the tension slowly leave my body. Shoulders relax. The neck softens. Muscles that worked all day finally rest. The mind follows the body. Thoughts become quieter. One by one, they drift away. A shower at this time of day is not just about cleaning. It is about letting go. Letting go of conversations, letting go of pressure, letting go of unfinished tasks. Water moves over the skin and takes the day with it. This simple ritual separates today from tomorrow. I breathe deeply and stand still for a moment. There is no phone, no music, no rush, just the sound of water and breathing. This silence is important. It helps the nervous system slow down. It prepares the body for sleep. As the shower ends, I dry off slowly. I move without hurry. I put on clean, comfortable clothes. The body feels lighter. The mind feels clearer. Everything is softer now. The evening has done its work. This moment teaches something simple. Rest does not always need effort. Sometimes it needs permission. Permission to stop. Permission to be still. A warm shower becomes the final step before sleep. A quiet goodbye to the day. Useful phrases. The day feels complete. The sound of water is calming. The body finally rests. This simple ritual separates today from tomorrow. Rest needs permission.
Chapter 6. After the shower, the house feels even quieter. Lights are softer now. Sounds are distant. I walk into the bedroom and open the window for a moment. Cool air enters the room. It feels fresh and clean. The day is fully behind me. Tomorrow does not ask for attention yet. This moment belongs only to rest. I prepare the bed slowly. I do not rush this part. Sheets feel cool. The room feels calm. I turn off the main light and leave a small lamp on. Darkness comes gently. I lie down and take a deep breath. The body knows what to do now. It has moved, it has eaten, it has rested. It is ready. Many people struggle with sleep because the day never really ends for them. Screens stay on, thoughts stay loud. Tonight is different. Tonight, sleep is a continuation of calm, not an escape from stress. I let my breathing slow down. I do not force sleep. I allow it. Thoughts appear, but they are softer now. I do not follow them. I let them pass. The mind does not need answers at night. It needs rest. The body sinks into the bed. Muscles relax completely. This is not just sleep. This is recovery. Going to bed early feels like a gift to tomorrow. Energy is prepared in advance. Focus is protected. A quiet evening creates a better morning. This is how days connect to each other, not through effort, but through care. Sleep arrives naturally. The room is still. The day ends without noise, without resistance, just a soft stop. Useful phrases. The day is fully behind me. This moment belongs to rest. I do not force sleep. Sleep is recovery. A quiet evening creates a better morning. Thank you for spending this quiet evening with us. If you enjoyed this calm story, explore our other videos to learn English through simple, real-life moments. Thanks! Please subscribe and like. Spin a new yarn with us every week. See you there!